For years, I've relied on specific AI tools for specific tasks, but what if one platform promised to bring the power of GPT-4, Claude, and Gemini all under one roof? Today, we're going to put that promise to the test and share my real-world experience to see if this multi-tool genuinely simplifies your workflow, or if its broad capabilities come with unexpected compromises you need to be aware of.
Let's start with a question. Who's your favorite superhero? Are you firmly Team Marvel, or do you proudly wear the colors of DC? Now imagine if you didn't have to pick a side. What if you could assemble the entire pantheon of heroes for advice, all at once? That's the compelling promise of Perplexity AI. Perplexity might be the only AI tool where you can instantly switch between the biggest names in generative AI, from OpenAI's formidable GPT-4 to Anthropic's eloquent Claude, Google's expansive Gemini, xAI's Grok, and even Perplexity's own finely tuned model. It's like having a universal remote for AI models. Or more accurately, calling in the entire superhero squad for backup. In my ever-expanding tech toolbox, Perplexity has earned its place as the true Swiss Army knife. It's designed to handle multiple tasks, seamlessly switch between AI models, pull in fast, verifiable research, summarize extensive documents, answer obscure questions, and keep your workflow moving without constantly jumping between applications. So today, let's examine what happens when you have the Avengers, the Justice League, and practically every major AI brain accessible from one centralized hub. Is it the ultimate all-in-one solution? Or does being a jack of all trades mean being a master of none? Perplexity's signature feature is its model switching capability. With a single click, you can route your query to almost any major large language model currently available. This includes the familiar giants, ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, plus Perplexity's own model built on Meta's robust open-source Llama foundation. This flexibility drew me to Perplexity nearly a year ago. Having immediate access to multiple AI perspectives from one interface seemed revolutionary. However, like any multi-tool, there are important trade-offs. Here's the critical distinction most users miss. When you use GPT-4 within Perplexity, you're leveraging the core intelligence, but not getting the full native experience. You won't find custom GPTs or the advanced projects functionality from ChatGPT. Similarly, accessing Claude through Perplexity means no extended context window or Claude-specific features that enhance its unique strengths. You get the model's intellectual brain, but you forfeit the platform-specific features that make individual services powerful in their native environments. For newcomers to AI wanting to experiment or compare how different models approach the same prompt, Perplexity provides an excellent starting point. You can quickly compare responses and understand the AI landscape without multiple subscriptions. But understand this limitation. You might not access the latest model versions, and you definitely won't get complete feature sets. Perplexity's most significant differentiator is its approach to search and knowledge integration through Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. Unlike standalone chatbots relying solely on pre-trained internal data that could be months or years old, Perplexity actively pulls live, real-time sources from the web, processes that information, includes precise citations, and shows you exactly where it found answers. It's a powerful step toward transparency and reliability in AI responses. However, and this connects back to our Swiss Army knife trade-offs, when you're using Perplexity to access GPT-4, you're not getting raw, unfiltered GPT-4. You're getting GPT-4 as mediated by Perplexity's architecture. Your original prompt might be rewritten, additional context from real-time searches could be added, and sometimes information might be subtly filtered for privacy or formatting reasons before reaching the underlying model. If you ever receive unexpected responses from a model you thought you knew well, remember this intermediary layer. The input reaching the core model isn't always exactly what you typed. Context management across models also matters. While Perplexity maintains conversational history and relevance within sessions, it doesn't always sync that context perfectly across different underlying models. Product research represents Perplexity's sweet spot. When I needed an SD card for my new Switch 2, which actually arrived this morning. I asked Perplexity which SD card is compatible with my Switch 2. I immediately received clear recommendations, compatibility specifications, and direct shopping links to reputable retailers. That fast, reliable, actionable information saved me time and potential returns. This showcases RAG capabilities at their best. Sometimes price comparison requires more caution. Recently, searching for software license deals, Perplexity suggested several sites with dramatically lower prices than expected. Independent investigation revealed some were obscure resellers requiring paid memberships to access deals, while others had concerning negative reviews regarding product keys and support. I ultimately bought directly from the official vendor, despite higher costs, prioritizing trust, warranty, and reliable support over questionable savings. Was Perplexity wrong? Not entirely. But it lacked context about my personal risk tolerance and the hidden caveats of those too-good-to-be-true deals. Currently, using ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity simultaneously, I'm noticing significant overlap in core functionalities. Honestly, it's becoming harder to justify paying for all of them. Whether I continue maintaining a Perplexity subscription largely depends on how Perplexity Labs develops, and whether it transforms into a unique, indispensable project management or deep research platform. But if you're seeking a true AI Swiss Army knife, a versatile, all-in-one tool offering powerful research capabilities, direct citations, and unparalleled ability to quickly compare multiple leading AI models, Perplexity could be exactly what your digital arsenal needs. The critical takeaway? There's no single, one-size-fits-all answer in the rapidly evolving AI tools landscape. If you found this breakdown helpful, insightful, and transparent, subscribe to Technology for Life for more no-nonsense, real-world tech advice. Next week, we're doing a comprehensive wrap-up of all AI tools we've reviewed recently, helping you make informed decisions about building the right tool combination for your unique needs. You won't want to miss it.